Hi everybody, this is what I'm up to. I managed to turn the engine over. Starter motor was dead, so took it out, had a look, and the little bronze bush in the square end was missing, so got one of those. Then I thought I would tackle this side first. So got the battery box out. That's not actually horribly bad. And then I'm going to try and tackle this door hinge. The bottom ones are worse here. Top one is remarkably solid, although the bolt is turning. Here's the bottom one. See that? I think that bolt should be staying put, and the same's happening on the top, but you can't see that. So I can just get a blade in there and try and saw through that. Bought myself an air saw today, which made life a little bit easier, but I don't know if you'd be able to use it on the bottom one. You can't get the angle in to cut that. An M8 bolt fits very nice in there, so that might be my plan with that. It took me a whole day to get these two hinges off, so thank goodness it's only a two-door. On the door hinges. So my doors are the intermediate, so I've got timber, aluminium and a steel skin at the front, so a bit of a combination there. These are captive plates at the doors. That's the top one, which is alright. This is the bottom one, and there's one of the bolts, so not much left on that. And the hinges, man. Did the bottom one first, and I had to saw through this spacer here. So I sheared the bolts off, and it still wouldn't come out, so I needed a little bit more space to wriggle it out. And then I did something similar on this one.